Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here are the paper Destashes. I have two that are kind of like in a kit in a way, and then the rest is just, I have one paper pad and then the rest is open loose paper. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this one here. This one will be called Romantic Garden. If you are interested, it will be 22 plus shipping. Okay, so before I go on in depth about what is in this paper kit, I just want to let you know that these will be shipped in a poly mailer unless the purchaser wants it in a medium flat rate box, then that's fine with me. Just let me know which one you would prefer and I will do that for you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started into this paper. So you do get 24 pattern cardstock paper for this one. There is a whole lot of these sparkly eyelash trim. I did create some cute bows here for this kit. You will also be getting 69 ephemera die cut pieces. I will go in depth to show you guys those in a few minutes. And then you get 4 of each of these different sizes and colors of doilies. So there's that. Okay, these two here would be put in this bag, so that's what I will be doing with those. Since you guys already seen that, I will put this aside and show you the paper. Okay, for this flip through, I'm just going to try to fast forward a little bit and then put some music on. Okay, so I will just be showing it to you guys. Okay, up next is the ephemera that I will quickly show you guys. There is 69 ephemera. Once again, I'm gonna put this in fast forward and then put some music on. Okay. Okay, so if you are interested in the romantic garden, this will be 22 plus ship. This comes with 24 pattern cardstock paper. They are 12 by 12 and 69 ephemera die cut pieces. Okay, just go ahead and email me. I will make sure to put my email address down in the description box below if you are interested, and just contact me there, or if you have me on Instagram, you can always contact me there as well. Okay, so on to the next kit. Oh, I just wanted to mention that the papers and everything will be shipped in a Ziploc bag in a poly mailer. Okay, so they will be nice and safe, and then you can even reuse this bag to keep the papers or the paper kit that you do purchase for safekeeping. All right, so here is the next kit. This will be called Sunshine Boulevard. Okay, so we've got 12 double-sided thick cardstock paper. You get the 39 pieces of ephemera. This is what you get inside. And then you get a fun summary sequence mix. Okay, so there's that. And these are double-sided papers. This will be 26 plus shipping. So here are the papers. While I am sharing this with you, I will put it on fast forward a little bit and then put music on. Okay, so I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so that was the loose sheets of paper cardstock, double-sided paper. And here is the Sunshine Boulevard project pad. So what it comes with is it includes, oops, the glare. It includes stickers, ephemera, and cardstock paper. It is sealed off, so I can't really do a flip through, but I will. Oh, here's what it comes with, so that way I don't need to open it up. So here is that. So that's what it comes with. It's cardstock. It's even comes with, it's not double-sided, so you get those. And then I believe there is some more extra ephemera pieces. Yeah, here are the ephemera pieces. There's that, and then you also get the sheet of paper. Okay, so this will be Sunshine Boulevard by Damask Love. This will be 26 plus shipping if you are interested. So please contact me if you're interested in this one. If you do multiple purchases, I can always combine shipping. Okay, do keep that in mind. Okay, this next pieces, I'm going to be lettering them A through Q. Okay, so this one I have 2 sheets of. It will be letter A. They will sell for 80 cents each. Okay, these are nice thick cardstock paper. It's 80 cents plus shipping. Okay, For these, if you buy them individually, just like this, I will make sure to back them up on foam poster board. That way when it gets shipped, hopefully it doesn't get bent in the mail or folded. I will try my best to let the postal carriers know not to bend the packaging, okay? But once it's out of my hands, there's really not much I can do, but just keep that in mind. That's the reason why I said put it in a medium flat rate box. It will just be a little bit more. So yeah, do keep that in mind. So this one is letter A. We have 2 of these only. Well, I have 2 of these only, and they will be for 80 cents each, okay? So these are like the hearts, Valentine's. So there's 2 of those. Okay, the next one is letter B. Okay, we got this pattern paper. There is 5 of these. I will make sure to share how many are listed in the description box below as well, just if you're interested. These will sell for 25 cents because they are on the thinner side. Okay, it's not as thick as the ones before. Okay, they're not cardstock. They are like paper, copy paper. I think a little bit thicker than copy paper, but yeah, they're still thin. That's the reason why I'm doing 25 cents each. I have 5 of these pattern, and this is letter B. Okay, so there's that pattern. The next pattern is this one. I only have 2 of these. It will be letter C. Once again, 25 cents each. Anything after this is 25 unless I have marked them otherwise, okay? This pattern paper here is letter D. I only have 2. This one here is letter E. I only have 5. Oh, I do want to mention these are 12 by 12. So there's that. And a reminder that they will be in a Ziploc bag of their own. And depending on the shipping, it will either be in a box or a poly mailer bag. Okay. Letter F, I have 16 of these. I want to make sure that I didn't miss anything. Okay. Letter G, I have 1 of these. Letter H, I have 10 of these. Letter I have 5 of these, and these are the kind of like the cut aparts. This will be J. I have 3 of these. K, 2 of these. L, 2 of these. M, I have 2 of these ones. N, 4 of these. Okay, so the next of these ones are going to be 75 cents, okay? So if you're interested, please let me know what letter and how many. So this will be O, and there is 10, and these will be 75 cents each. let me just, here we go. P 75 cents, and I have 10 of these. And last but not least, Q, once again 75 cents, and there is 5 of these. Okay, so there's that. And then this one is a paper pad. I will do $10 plus shipping if you're interested. This is the Mermaid Coast. I will do a quick flip through. It has 48 sheets of paper. Oops, sorry for the shakiness. I will try. I don't know how this is gonna work, but so I'm going to do a quick flip through. All right, so that is Mermaid, $10 plus shipping. Okay, so once again, if you are interested in any of these Destash paper or paper kits, please email me. I will make sure to put my email down below, or if you have me on Instagram, go ahead and just DM me there, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.